You need to join those points by which line, solid or broken. If they have given the slack inequality, it is a solid line. If they have given strict inequality, it is a broken line, where both the lines are getting merged. So you need to mark the point in your examination, only the feasible region. Don't mark everything and let it go. This is false and that also false. Both also false means both the lines will be away from the origin. See, this is away from the origin. This is also away from the origin. Hello dear students, a warm welcome to one and all. My name is Vibha, Mathematics faculty at Vidhyaashram Pre-University College, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. So in the last session, we have learned many problems on graphical representation, also the sentence type of problems on the 3 marker. In today's session, and here you are going to have session number 4, and this is your last session dear students, and which is a chapter number 7 called Linear Inequalities. And what are all the topics under this session we are going to study dear students? That is nothing but problems on system of linear inequalities in 2 variables and their graphical representation. So here we'll be moving on to a system of linear inequalities in graphical representation. A solution is given by 2 or more linear inequalities can be given in 2 variables together form a system of linear inequalities. So what do you mean by a linear inequality? Means when 2 or more linear inequations are given, a set to form a linear inequalities. And here the solution set is the set which satisfies both the linear inequalities. That is a common region. So we are going to name that region as feasible region, which satisfies the conditions of both the equation. So that is going to be known as the feasible region of the system of inequalities in 2 variable. If it is satisfies all in inequations of the system, the set of all feasible solution form a feasible region. Here the set of all feasible solution will form a feasible region. I'll tell you how you are going to draw that feasible region. Now let us move on to the problems of a 3 marker and then 5 marker. So here first problem they have given, which is a 3 marker question. X is greater than or equal to 3, y is greater than or equal to 2. First I am going to assume like this dear students, let x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 is a line parallel to y-axis, isn't it? And then I am going to assume this also, let y is equal to 2. So whatever the inequality, whether strict inequality or slack inequality they have given, you are going to assume equal to. So y is equal to 2 is a line parallel to x-axis. Now we need to draw the line. So first let us test for the origin. This line, what happens to the region? Okay, so here you are going to take the whatever the given question is nothing but x is greater than or equal to 3, put x equal to 0. 0 is greater than or equal to 3. Never it is greater than 3 or equal to 3. Therefore is false. Therefore the region will be away from the origin. Okay. And let us test for by putting y equal to 0 here. So let me take whatever the given condition there. Y greater than or equal to 2 they have given. Put y equal to 0. 0 never greater than 2 or equal to 2. Therefore this is also false condition. And the region will be what? Away from the origin. So the region will be away from the origin. Both also away from the origin dear students. Now let me draw the line in a graph, that is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. This is the x-axis and this is a y-axis. So here origin, which is 0, 1, 2 and then 3, and then here x, o, x dash, and here -1, -2. I'm not much concentrating on the negative axis because you are having positive values there. 1, 2 and 3. This is a y, o, y dash, Here also I am not much concentrating on the negative y-axis. So here what I got, x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 means this is a line x is equal to 3 which is parallel to the y-axis. So let me write it here, x is equal to 3. And then I am going to draw another line. So here y is equal to 2. So this is a line y is equal to 2 I am getting, y is equal to 2 which is parallel to the x-axis. Now this is what y is equal to 2. Now you have to test for the origin. Here I have tested 0 never greater than 3 which is x equal to 3 line, which is a line. This is a line x equal to 3. This is what the region is away from the origin. Now what is towards origin? This line you have to see. Towards origin is this one. See, I am putting arrow mark. Towards origin is this one. Okay. This is what towards origin. Okay. This is what towards origin. Got? Towards origin. And then now I draw the point which is y is equal to 2, testing for the origin. This is also away from the origin. Now which is y is equal to 2? This is y is equal to 2 which is away from the origin. See, this is towards, this is away. So this is away from the origin. I am drawing a point which is away from the origin. Okay, this is away from the origin. Now you can check where both the lines are getting merged. So you can check, this is a region where both the lines are getting merged. So that is going to be known as the feasible region. Therefore, see, y also coming here, x also coming here. So this is what the region you are going to get where it is called a feasible region. Both the line are getting merged. So this is a region where it is getting merged. See, you can draw. This is what called a feasible region. Understood? This is going to be known as a feasible region. I hope you got this one. We'll move on to the next question, dears. Solve the inequalities of system of linear inequations in two variable. They have given x plus y is lesser than or equal to 6, x plus y is lesser than or equal to 4. First, let us equate this to a 0. Let x plus y is equal to 6. Now put x equal to 0. What you are getting? Y is equal to 6. So therefore A is a point which is having 0, 6. Then put y is equal to 0, x is equal to 6. You are getting B is 6, 0. Let me keep this as it is. Now let us go for x plus y is equal to 4. X plus y is equal to 4. Whatever the inequalities they have given, you are going to take first equal sign. Now put x equal to 0 here. If you put x equal to 0, y is equal to 4. That is a point C of 0, 4. And then if you put y equal to 0, x is equal to 4 you are getting. That is a point D of 4, 0. I hope you understood this one. Now let us test for the origin. Now testing. What happens? Let me take whatever the inequalities they have given. First inequality is x plus y is lesser than or equal to 6. Put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 is lesser than, yes, it is 6 but not equal to 6. But one condition is true which is lesser than 6. If one condition is true, when the slack inequality is given, it is a true condition you are going to consider. Another condition you are going to reject. So here 0 is lesser than 6 is true condition. Therefore, you are going to have the region will be towards origin. Towards origin. Now let me check for the next equation. What they have given, x plus y is lesser than or equal to 4. Let me put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, which is you are getting 0 plus 0 is lesser than 4 obviously, but never equal to 4. But reject the second condition, lesser than 4 is true. So which is called true condition. If it is true, you are going to take it as the region will be towards origin. Now both the lines are getting towards origin. Now let me write down the graph accordingly. What I have got the points of A, B, C and D. So let me take x-axis and y-axis. You are never getting there the negative point, so I am concentrating only on positive. This is x dash and origin is 0, and this is x and this is y, and then origin y dash, y-axis and then x-axis. Now you can check here, y-axis will go up to 6, x-axis also 6, 4 will include that only. So therefore I can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6, and then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. I hope you understood this one. Now let us mark the point of A of, what is that? 0, 6. Where A of 0, 6? A of 0, 6. It is in this. So A of 0, 6. And then B of 6, 0. So B of 6, 0, where it will come? Here. So B of 6, 0. Now, you need to mark that point. You need to join those points by which line? Solid or broken? If they have given the slack inequality, it is a solid line. If they have given strict inequality, it is a broken line. Now, slack inequality they have given, it should be a solid line. Let us join that points by solid line. So, joining these 2 points by solid line. Right? So, next, what is that? You are going to have C of 0, 4. Where it will be? Now here C of 0, 4 will be here. C of 0, 4. Correct? And then D of 4, 0. Here D of 4, 0. D of 4, 0. Now let us join this point since they have given the slack inequality through a solid line. Now you can join this point through a solid line. Now this is what the solid line. Okay, and here what the solid line, correct? Now you are going to mark the region what it is, towards or away from the origin. Now first let us check. For first one it is what? It is towards the origin. Which is a line? Let me write down that line there. This is a line which is having x plus y equal to 6, and this is a line which is having, which is x plus y equal to 4, correct? Now here I am going to mark the point which is both, see, towards origin, towards origin. Towards origin means where it will come. This is towards origin. I am marking the point. This line, towards origin. This line also towards origin. You can identify the where it is towards origin. Now, where both the lines are getting merged, here or here? Here it is both the lines are getting merged. This is called feasible region, where it is both the lines are getting merged. I hope you got this one. Both the lines are getting merged, so that only I am drawing that line as a feasible region. I hope you got this diagram. Now this is going to be known as feasible region. Where both the region are getting merged here, there I have marked the point. I hope you got this one. We'll move on to the next problem, dears. What they have asked. Solve it graphically. They have given a 2 variable linear equations as 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 8. X plus y is lesser than or equal to 10. Now let us solve this first. Let 2x plus y is equal to 8. Now put x equal to 0. If you put x equal to 0, what y will be is equal to? Y will be is equal to 8, right? And then if you put y is equal to 0, so this is a point A of 0, 8. So y axis will go up to 8. So if you put y equal to 0, 2x equal to 8, 2 1s are, 2 4s are. So x will be is equal to 4. So this is a point B of 4, 0. Now x axis will go up to 4 units. Now let us take next equation, that is x plus y. Let us put equal to 10. Here both also they have given slack inequality. The points line will be joining through solid line. Now here put x equal to 0. If you put x equal to 0, what is y is equal to 10? Let us mark that point C of 0, 10. Therefore, y-axis will go up to 10 units. Now put y is equal to 0. So x you are going to get again 10. So D is 10, 0. So therefore, x-axis also will go up to 10 units. Only positive direction. Now let us test for the origin. So therefore, here you can have, let me take the inequality what they have given. 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 8. Put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. So 0 is greater than or equal to 8. 0 never greater than 8. 0 never equal to 8. So which is a false condition. If any one of the true, then it is a true. Both are will be false. It is a false condition. The region of this line will be away from the origin. False means away. True means towards. Away from origin. Now next let us take what they have given the inequality. X plus y is lesser than or equal to 10. Put 0. 0 plus 0. 0 is lesser than 10. Obviously one condition is true. If one condition is true, it is a true condition. If it is true, the region will be towards origin. Now, let us draw the graph of this where the x and the y-axis will go up to 10 units. So, this is a x-axis and this is a y-axis. So, here you are going to have origin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10. So this is what the x-axis, and then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is what the y-axis, and here you are going to have, since I'm getting a positive points only, I'm not concentrating much on the negative. So here let me mark the point of A. What is A of 0, 8? So you are going to have A of 0, 8 will be here. You can take the units which is the difference of 2 units also. Here, since to get a graph little bigger, I have taken 1 units difference. If you want, you can take a 2 units difference because you are having here 4, 8, here 10 only. So 4, 8, 10 means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 also you can take it. A difference of x-axis and the y-axis is a 2 units. Now here I have taken the 1 unit difference. Okay. So let me mark the point as of what A of 0, 8 will come here. This is A of 0, 8 and this is B of 8, 0. Let us join this point by a solid line because they have given a slack inequality. That is nothing but the solid line. So this is what the line I am writing. X, what is that? 2x plus y is equal to 8. Okay. And then let us come to the next one. What is that? C of 0, 10 and D of 10, 0. So C of 0, 10 will go here. This is C of 0, 10. And this is what D of 10, 0. So this is also slack inequality. Let us join these 2 points by a solid line. So this is what you are going to have, a solid line. So therefore here let me take that line as x plus y is equal to 10. Now you can have the region. See, this is a region where it is away from the origin. Away from the origin means it will go like this. This is away from the origin. It will go like this, which is away from the origin. Okay. I am taking that line in a color of black, which is the opposite of blue. We'll be having x plus y, which is nothing but the towards origin, because it is true. Towards origin means this line will come like this. Towards origin. I hope you are getting this. But where both the lines are getting merged? Both the lines are getting merged in this one, which is what this is a region you are going to have. Therefore, that is called the feasible region. I am marking only one arrow mark towards origin. This one, correct? This one is towards origin and this one is away from the origin. I'm marking only one point. Where both the lines are getting merged, so you need to mark the point in your examination, only the feasible region. Don't mark everything and let it go. So you can put arrow mark and check out, okay? So therefore, so this is what towards the origin. This line, and that is away from the origin, where both the lines are getting merged here. That is called feasible region. Where both the lines are getting merged here, I'm marking here, this is called a feasible region. So this is a parallel line. When you draw in your graph sheet, it will come perfectly a parallel line only. The feasible region will be that one. Understood? So therefore, this you are going to rate it as feasible region. To show you, dear students, I have marked first in the arrow marker, then I have found out the feasible region where both the regions are getting combined. Understood? So we'll move on to the next problem, dears, what they have asked. X plus 3y greater than or equal to 3, 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 2, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. X greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0 is nothing but a perpendicular lines. X axis and the y axis. That's it. So let me take this one. X plus 3y is equal to 3 and then let put x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. So y will be is equal to what? 3 will go 1. So the point will be 0, 1 and then put y is equal to 0. X will be is equal to 3 and b is a point 3, 0. Now you are going to join these 2 points through a solid line because they have given a slack inequality everywhere. So next you are going to take 2x plus y is equal to 2, put x equal to 0. So y will be is equal to what? 2. So that is a point C of 0, 2. Now put y is equal to 0. So x will be is equal to 2, 2 will go 1. So D of 1, 0. So here now testing for the origin, x equal to 0 is a line parallel to the x-axis and y equal to 0 is a line parallel to the x-axis. So x equal to 0 parallel to y-axis, y equal to 0 parallel to x, or y equal to 0, x equal to 0, which is perpendicular lines joining at the origin. Point of intersection will be origin. Now here let me take here this two equation testing for the origin. So x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 3. Put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. 0 never greater than 3 or never equal to 3, which is a false condition. Therefore, the region will be away from the origin. Next, let us check for 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 2. So, put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. 0 never greater than 2 or equal to 2. This is also false condition. So, therefore, the region will be away from the origin. Now here this is also a region which will come in the first quadrant because y equal to 0, x equal to 0, 0 equal to 0, which is true condition, which is towards the origin only. This is also origin only. Move on to graphical representation now. Now x-axis and y-axis will go positive. So therefore this is a x-axis and this is a y-axis. This is the origin. And y-axis will go 1, 2, up to 3 units, I think. And here x-axis also will go up to 3 units. Correct. So what is that? You are going to have a of 0, 1. A of 0, 1 will be here. That is a of 0, 1. And b of 3, 0. B of 3, 0 will be here. B of 3, 0. You need to join the point through what? A solid line. Let me join these 2 points by solid line. The line will go like this. Next, you are going to mark the point of C of 0, 2 and D of 1, 0. C of 0, 2 which will come here. This is a point C of 0, 2 and D of 1, 0 which will come here. D of 1, 0. Let us join this point through solid line. Let me write the equation of this line, which is nothing but, what is that? X plus 3y. X plus 3y is equal to 3. And then join this point through a solid line. Okay, this is what. So you are going to have this equation is 2x plus y equal to 2. I hope you got this one. Now we need to mark the region. So I am putting one arrow mark here. What is that? This is false and that also false. Both also false means both the lines will be away from the origin. See, this is away from the origin. This is also away from the origin. Where both the regions are getting combined? This is a region where both the lines are getting combined. I have marked. See, this is a line and this is a one line. Both also away from the origin. Therefore, the feasible region will be this one. This is called a feasible region. Okay. So, this is going to be known as feasible region. You can observe, dear student, it is coming in the first quadrant only because they have given x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0, which is in the first quadrant you have to draw. So, this is what it will not come here, only this much. So, that only that much I have drawn. Understood? I hope you got this one. We'll move on to the next problem. What they have asked? Graphically, you need to solve this one. 3x plus 3y is lesser than or equal to 6, x plus 4y is lesser than or equal to 4, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. The last problem and this problem will be asked for a 5 marker. Dears, let me solve this one first. So, let 3x plus 3y is equal to 6. So, let me put x equal to 0. So, what is y will be is equal to? If you put x equal to 0, y is 3y equal to 6, 3y is equal to 2. So, therefore, A is a point 0, 2. And put y is equal to 0. What will be x equal to? X will be is equal to 3 1s are 3 2s are 2. So, B of 2, 0. Correct? Now, let us take next equation, which is x plus 4y is equal to 4. Now, put x equal to 0. If you put x equal to 0, y will be is equal to what? 4 will get cancelled 1. So, C of 1, 0 and then put y is equal to 0. What is x is equal to? See, x is equal to 4. So, D of 4, 0. Here also it will go up to only positive terms. And let me test for the origin. So, 3x, let me take the given inequality. 3x plus 3y is lesser than or equal to 6. So, let me take x equal to 0, y equal to 0. If you take 0 plus 0 is 0 only. 0 is lesser than 6. Obviously, it is true, but not equal to 6, which is rejected. So, 0 is lesser than 6, it is true. Therefore, the region will be towards the origin. Let us take second equation, that is x plus y is lesser than or equal to 4. Now, x plus y is lesser than 4. Let me put 0 is lesser than or equal to 4. Obviously, lesser than 4 is true. Therefore, the region will be towards origin. Both also towards origin. Now, let us move on to a graphical representation. Now, here 2 and 2, 4 it will go up to. Now, this is what the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Now, here the origin, this is x-axis, y-axis. Now, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me mark the point of A of 0, 2. That is A of 0, 2 will be here. A of 0, 2 and B of 2, 0 will be here. B of 2, 0. Which line we need to draw? Since they have given a slack inequality, we should draw through a solid line. Therefore, so let us join these 2 points by solid line. Next, let us mark the point C of 1, 0, which will come here. C of, 0, 1, not 1, 0. Sorry dear students, here x, 0, that is 0, 1. Not 1, 0, I have marked wrong here because x, y. Okay, 0, 1, which will come. C of 0, 1 will be here. C of 0, 1 and D of 4, 0. D of 4, 0. Now, let us join these points by a solid line because they have given here the slack inequality. Let us join that point through solid line. So, this is a line you are going to get. Okay. Now, let me write down the lines respectively. Now, what is this line? A blue line, 3x plus. This is 3x plus 4y is equal to 6. And the black line, x plus 4y. This is x plus 4y is equal to 4. Right? That is what you are going to have. So, next, you need to draw now feasible region. So, one is nothing but it is true, another one is also true, which is towards origin both. See here, this is a line which is towards origin. I am drawing only the one line. This is towards origin and drawing in opposite color. This is also towards origin. Now, where the region is getting combined? In the first quadrant because they have given x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, you come to know now feasible region will be this one, towards origin. It is come in the first quadrant because they have given x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0. Now, this is called a feasible region. You need to write down that, dear students, a feasible region. Understood? I hope you understood this problem. We'll move on to the next problem. Okay, dear students, what they've asked next problem, 3x plus 4y is greater than or equal to 12. 4x plus y is greater than or equal to 8, isn't it? Now, here, let 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Now put x equal to 0. What y will be is equal to 4 1s are 4 3s are. So a of 0, 3 is a point. Now put y equal to 0. X will be is equal to 3 1s are 3 4s are. So 4. So b of 4, 0. Now take next line, 4x plus y equal to 8, put x equal to 0, what is y is equal to 8. So, C of 0, 8. Next, put y is equal to 0, what is x will be equal to 4 1s are 4 2s are, which is d of 2, 0. Now, let us test for the origin. Now, take inequality whatever they have given, 3x plus 4y is greater than or equal to 12. Now, put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. 0 plus 0, 0 never greater than 12 or equal to 12, which is a false condition. So, therefore, region will be away from the origin, which is false means away from the origin. Correct? True means towards the origin. Now, next will be taken this equation, that is 4x plus y is greater than or equal to 8. So, now put 0. 0 is greater than, never greater than 8 or equal to 8. This is also false. Now, this is also the region will be is away from the origin. Correct? Which is away from the origin. Therefore, let me draw now graphically. Y-axis will go up to 8 units, x-axis will go up to 4 units. Now, this is what the x-axis and this is a y-axis. Now, here origin, y and then here x. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me mark the point of A here. A is what? 0, 3, which is here. A of 0, 3. And B is what? 4, 0. Here B of 4, 0. Let us join this point through a solid line because they have given a slack inequality in both the lines also solid only. Now let us write the equation on that line, which is 3x plus 4y equal to 12. 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Next, let us mark the point. What is marking the point? You are going to have a C of 0, 8. C of 0, 8 will come here. And then D of 2, 0 will be here. Let us join these points through a solid line. So this is a line you are going to have, which is 4x plus y is equal to 8. Okay. Now you need to mark the region. One is false, another one is also, both also false, which is away from the origin. See, this is away from the origin, this is also away from the origin. Where the region is getting merged? Here it is the region getting merged, which is in this quadrant or hole. Now this is what you are going to getting merged, which is nothing but the region. You are going to get it. Now this is what going to be known as the feasible region. Okay. So this is going to be known as a feasible region, where both the lines are getting merged. So I hope you enjoyed this session. In the next session, we'll be moving on to the new chapter, dear students. Now thank you. Have a nice day.